Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your 370Z. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the display screen, usually located above the center console. To begin adjusting the time, press and hold the set button for approximately 2 seconds until the hour display starts blinking. Once the hour digits are blinking, use the tune/scroll knob, often found near the display, to rotate and select the correct hour. Turn it clockwise to increase the hour or counterclockwise to decrease it. After setting the hour, press the Set button briefly. This action will confirm your hour selection and cause the minute digits to begin blinking, ready for adjustment. Now that the minute digits are blinking, use the tune/scroll knob to adjust them to the precise minute. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Once the minutes are correctly displayed, press the Set button one final time. This action will save your new time setting, and the digits will stop blinking. Always double-check that the clock shows the correct time before proceeding. To recap, changing the time on your 370Z involves using the Set button to enter and confirm adjustments, and the tune/scroll knob for selecting the correct hours and minutes. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.